Yeah.
Villanova, oil change, rotate, check air filter.
I'm Tony with Advanced Auto Clinic here in Delavan, Wisconsin. We're at our brand new facility on Highway 50. I was always the one that was working on friends' cars out in the driveway and stuff. So it just evolved and kept going and growing. And
my name's Debbie Lynn. I own Sweet Zen Spa and Coffee. We are on the front end of the building attached to Advanced Auto Clinic that my husband Tony runs. It started with us kind of wanting to be in the same building together, providing services that aren't found anywhere else.
as I walk through this shop, I'm reminded every day of the hard work, dedication, and passion that goes into each and every vehicle we service. Advanced Auto Clinic isn't just about fixing cars, it's about building trust and relationships with our community. We stand for honesty, quality, and going the extra mile for every customer who walks through our doors. This place is more than just a business. It's our promise to our neighbors that we'll always be here to keep them safe on the road and support them in any way we can. That's what drives us, and that's what we'll continue to stand for.